simple guidelines that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. There is no better time than now. You may have a lot of questions on what to do and how to start. Do not worry, because this video will talk about those things. Outlined below are tips that can assist you in implementing an affiliate marketing strategy. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. Savvy website owners select only the most profitable affiliate marketing partners. For an affiliate that pays webmasters on a pay-per-sale basis, a commission of 20 to 50% is not unreasonable to expect. Pay-per-sale affiliates that offer 10% or less commission are not worth a webmaster's time. Hold out for affiliates that recognize the value of their affiliate marketing partners. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your sites so that your current customers can check out your new venture. For affiliate marketers dealing with emails, it is important that you maintain a publishing schedule for your mails. You will need to do this for autoresponders and for broadcast messages. Also be sure to keep track of your clicks, earnings per mail, and other vital information to tell you if your campaign is working. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. You should feel much more confident when you sit down to create your affiliate marketing plan. If you considered yourself ready before, then you should be a pro now. The tips presented to you in this video, if followed correctly, will give you a good understanding on how to promote your site with affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.